this video, we're going to explore some of the hidden gems West Sumbawa has to offer. But before I adventure solo, a quick cruise around with my mum at the Ubud Water
Where
Palace.
are we, Mother?
I don't know.
The Ubud Water Palace. I better tie mine up too.
Oh wow, look at this. Oh, they'll have to come up here and have a look. Amazing. How good do you look? Do I need a head thing?
This is the Ubud Water Palace.
Where did you learn about this thing? Or you just saw it with
Google.
Google.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I think we should sit down and have maybe a chai or a cup of tea or something, Mother?
Yeah, sounds good.
Imagine having your backyard like this. You go in through your front door, you go into your backyard, and your backyard's just a tranquil water garden.
Yeah, I thought for a second that you've been going up all the way to that platform. Oh. And I was like,
That
oh.
is pretty tall.
Yeah, I was like, it's surprising. Too hard. Good luck. It's so beautiful. Amazing.
Love your wind up to it.
You didn't. Some pretty little butterflies flying around here too. Just gotta try and capture one. Oh, there goes one. Oh, he's on my finger.
Alright, here I'm going to try to
Butterfly them to get
He's
landing
on my
on your finger.
Yeah, that's surely good luck. Oh, your finger's
Yeah, let's see.
That's unreal.
Hang on, that's it.
Yep, hang on. Get the bag drop. Yep.
Here I am. Just landed into Sumbawa. We're gonna get some surfing done. Check this place out a little bit for a few days and yeah, hopefully catch some good waves and just see where this place takes us. wino on the flight. We caught a taxi as soon as we landed in to our accommodation, and the car broke down within the first 10 minutes. So we're just swapping cars now. On to the next one.
After you build a house, at
Yeah.
the beginning you build maybe a little house for only one person. And if it was, maybe you have money.
Swampland.
Yes.
What are they harvesting in there?
Maybe fishing, maybe.
Ah, true. Road closed. Oh, building a new bridge.
Yeah, the bridge. Oh,
Amazing, thank you so much.
Also drink.
Appreciate it. Cheers.
This one for your friend.
Ah, true. No, he's gone now. Yeah.
Oh, it's
Welcome drinks. Yeah, just solo traveller. Thank you so much, though. Appreciate
What's your
that.
name?
Hayden.
Hayden?
Yeah, what's your name?
Adams.
Adams.
Hayden and Adams.
Oh, Adams. Nice to meet you, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, I saw you bring your skateboard, right?
Yeah. Do you have any skate parks here?
We
Well,
don't
maybe
have
not.
But just not play skate. Just play
Yeah.
straight.
Just surfing.
Just surfing.
Yeah.
I have one board in my room. So
Yeah.
maybe tomorrow we can play together. We have a ramp.
Yeah.
Like the ramp.
Yeah. Wow. This is incredible. I've just checked into Miami Beach Lodge. Got my welcome drink. And this is where I'm staying if you walk literally out my front door. Straight down. Straight onto the beach. We've got Scar Reef. Up over on the right there, you can see just peeling across. Oh, wow. Unbelievable. And there's my room, just back through the trees there. Miami Beach Lodge. I think I'm gonna get some surfboard hire and head straight out. See us in the surf. Sumbawa on the west coast. I just stayed at a place called Miami Beach Lodge, right next to Scar Reef and Little Bingen, and now I'm just, it's low tide at the moment, so it's not really working where I am, so I'm heading to Yo-Yo's, which is another area where they've got heaps of surf, tropical and a few other spots. So about 40 minutes drive. Just heading down there with my surfboard, which I've just hired for the next couple of days. And yeah, we just get to explore Sumbawa. So I'll see you on the other side. Their main staple food here is corn crops and rice fields. They're the two main things that you'll see growing here. Even on my right, just there, corn. You'll see corn everywhere here. more corn, a few banana plantations, but ultimately just rice and corn. Morning world. Hey.
Time for frying.
Yeah. Okay. It's Coco the dog, the villa owner's dog. This morning we're going on an adventure. Going with Adam, one of the locals from the villa, who's going to take me to a mini ramp spot. Probably the only ramp in Sumbawa. And then after that we're going to go chase some waterfalls. Just cruising over to his little spot now. But first, coffee. You know, I normally only skate in Van slip-ons.
Yeah.
Everyone, this is Adam.
Hello everyone, good morning all. Today we're all going to the yo-yos. Yeah, I know yo-yos, Baba Villas. We playing skate or couple hours or 3 hours, and after that going to the waterfall. And maybe tomorrow we're watching sunset in Mantar Hill, yeah?
Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing today. A little bit of adventuring, a little bit of skateboarding, coffee first, and then hopefully some waterfall spots where we can jump in, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, sick. The Siggy supply. This right here is one of the old roads coming out of Scar Reef area, and then they've built a new road which we're about to enter, which saves about 20 minutes on the trip to Yo-Yo's. Normally the trip without this new section of road was around 45 minutes to 50 minutes, and now with this new road that they've built, not the one that we're on now, you save about 20 minutes and makes it only about half an hour. So yeah, this is the new shortcut. As you can see, this is the brand new road that's been built. Much nicer, much quicker. Mum's just taken me to the coffee shop called Pico Friends. Our first pit stop for the morning.
Yeah.
Good coffee. #1 coffee. And then after this, onto the skate ramp.
And after the skate ramp, and after the skate, we swim to the fucking waterfall, bro.
He wants a job. Raza, best coffee ever.
Thank you.
Alright, we've had our coffee break. First coffee for the morning. And now we're on our way to the mini ramp. So that's the next mission. Alright, just arrived at Baja Surf Villa. Got the swimming pool in the background. We just had some breakfast, a couple games of pool. Now we're here to check out the mini ramp out the back. Oh, look at this, beautiful and smooth. Hey, look at that. Yeah, that's a nice build. This is what everyone needs in their backyard. All right. Nice, back 5. Rock and roll. All right, that concludes our session here at the Baja mini ramp. Oh, frontside flip.
Yeah.
You can do frontside flip. It's a good little session. I think it's the only ramp in Sumbawa, yeah? The only ramp? Is this the only ramp?
Yes.
Only
The
ramp.
only ramp in West Sumbawa.
Yeah. Hey, one more. We got 1%. Camera's nearly flat. Yeah!
One more.
Last one. Oh, keep it going. You got one more. Alright, next one. Slow, relax, breathe. Here we go. This is the shot. Perfect. Perfect.
Ah.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go grab some lunch now. We'll slowly start heading back towards Scar Reef and grab some lunch, and then quick surf, and then onto the waterfall. Peace, peace.
Come on.
Mr. Sleepy.
Mr. Sleepy.
See the skate spots? Skate spot under there? I'm just gonna try this one street spot. It's already filming.
Yeah.
It's good? Good floor? I'll try it better. Yeah, thanks brother.
No wax, yeah?
Yeah, it needs wax. Right, we're just hitting a couple of street spots up the road. We've pulled into a rung here and grabbing some lunch.
Yes.
What's for lunch? What are you having? Fish?
Yes, we had a feast with rice. Rice. And this one is liver for the chicken. Drumstick.
Yeah.
And some salad.
Oh, that looks good
The
too.
green bumbu. Green sambal.
He likes the chili.
You like the chili?
Sometimes. Not all the time. Nice, simple lunch. Satisfied? Alright, that's lunch done. That was 20,000 rupiah, so $2 lunch, full fish, heaps of chicken, and some rice and some spices. Now we're just going to Scar Reef to have a quick surf. Just here at Super Sucks, it's normally a pretty common wave here when it's decent swell, but there's nothing really happening here at the moment. There's a few people in the water over there, but not much happening at all. pulled up at the waterfall area. Here we are, we're going to make our way up. I think it's about a 5-minute walk up the steps.
So right now, I'm making my way up to the Air Turgeon Semporantangal waterfall.
Wow, crystal clear.
Yeah.
Wow!
Okay, right now we arrive in the Kalela waterfall. Who's excited to jump to the water, bro?
Ooh. You jump first.
Okay, let's go.
Let's see it.
Let's have the mobile first. The cigarette.
Yeah, empty your pockets.
Yeah, empty pocket. And let's go. Swim.
I want to see a big dive.
Yes, swim, yes. You ready?
Let's go, Adam. Oh!
Wait,
A bit of a ballywhacker. Hey, big ballywhacker. Yeah! Nice. Woo! Is that slippery? I knew you were gonna slip there. I knew you were gonna slip there. I had a feeling that was gonna happen. Loose.
By far, one of the most beautiful waterfalls I've ever seen. At the top of the waterfall there was a cave. Inside the cave you could stand up. There were stalagmites wrapped around all of the root systems. It was absolutely stunning. You could peer out the front, turn around and see like you're looking out of an eye.
Almost need a headlamp for in here, but we're in a stalagnite cave. And I think they're wrapped around tree roots, maybe. Unreal! just trying to see if I can sit my camera somewhere. Right, now we're at the top of the waterfall. Yeah, I reckon to the edge, but not too close. I don't want you slipping in. That'll be a big fall.
Unfortunately, shortly after videoing this, my cameras went flat. Morning. Today, it's a 4 AM wake up to go to the highest mountain in Sumbawa for the 360-degree panoramic views. So I'm up super early. I'm just gonna go for an hour and a half ride and try and catch the sunrise. And yeah, hopefully it's worth the drive. I'll see you there. I'm just walking over to pick up Adam. Early morning wake up for him too.
Good morning.
Morning, brother. Off on an adventure.
Yeah.
So obnoxious, isn't it? Just like, alright, I gotta pray. Here's my loud music. Boom.
Yeah, nature music.
Yeah. Sort of nice though. I actually don't mind it. Alright, so we're maybe less than a kilometre from the top and we're waiting for the bike to cool down because the bike's overheated. So we're just chilling.
Just chilling and smoking.
We've got about half an hour until sunrise, which is a nice amount of time away to give the bike a chance to cool down. Alright, we've given the bike a little bit of a cool down. We're just going to see if we can fire it back up now and get some traction. Seems alright. I'll race you. I'll race you. It's good. I will go around this bend here. First glimmers of light coming through.
Can I flip it? Let's go if you can do it. Actually nearly went down. Imagine that, me just like tumbling into the bushes. That's all prickly too. It's very. That rooster's been attacked.
If you're ever in the area of West Sumbawa, this is a must. Mantar lookout. Every 5 minutes that went by, it just kept leveling up. One of the best sunrises I've ever seen. Didn't look like it was going to do much at first. It just blew me away.
Slow mo shot. You look injured. Beautiful, Adam.
Yeah, it's very such beautiful, bro. Start here from where I am, and then we struggle in half, man.
In the pitch black with a broken bike. So nice.
Some chicken.
So that's the view. Breakfast and coffee time. Hole in the road. skating, a little bit of everything really. So until then, see you on the next one.